This is Cambodia. This is Japan. This is Australia. This is Belgium. This is Brazil. This is Canada. This is Chile. This is China. This is Colombia. This is Denmark. This is Egypt. This is Finland. This is France. This is Germany. This is Greece. This is India. This is Indonesia. This is Iran. This is Iraq. This is Ireland. This is Italy. This is Kenya. This is Laos. This is Mexico. This is Mexico. This is Morocco. This is Myanmar. This is Nepal. This is Netherlands. This is New Zealand. This is Nigeria. This is Norway. This is Pakistan. This is Peru. This is Philippines. This is Poland. This is Portugal. This is Russia. This is Saudi Arabia. This is Singapore. This is South Africa. This is South Korea. This is Spain. This is Sweden. This is United Kingdom. This is England. And this is United States. Thank you for watching. See you all in the next video.